Work on side. Work on side. Work on side. Get him, son. Get that thing, Snoop. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, Snoop. Get him, Snoop. Get him, Snoop. Get him, Snoop, son. Get him. Get him. Work him, son. 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 Work him, Snoop. Work him, Snoop, son. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. My son finna be a father. You heard me? Little hoe pregnant. You know what I'm talking about? See in a dollhouse, y'all ain't gonna see her. Get him, Snoop. 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 Get him. Get you something out there. Get you something out there. Get you something out there, son. Get you something out there, son. Get you some. Get you some out there, Snoop. Get you some out there, Snoop. Get you some out there, son. Get you some out there, son. Get you some out there, son. Get you some. Get you some. Get you some, son. Get you some. Get you some out there, son. Get you some. Get you some. Get you some, son. Get you some out there. Get you some, Snoop. 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 Get you some, son. Get the thing. Get that thing. Get him, Snoop. Get him, Snoop. Get him. Ain't no rest. I'm trying to get no rest, son. Ain't no rest. Don't get you no rest. Ain't no rest, son. Get you some. Get you some, Snoop. Get you some. That's my fucking son right there. Get. 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 Get you some. Get you some. Get you some. Get you some. Get you some, son. Get you some, son. Get you some, son. Get you some. Get you some. Get you some, son. Get you some. Get you some, son. Get you some. Get it, Snoop. Get. Getting a little work time. Get. Get. Get it, Snoop. Get it, Snoop. Get it, Snoop. Get it. Get it, son. Get it, son. Ain't no red. Ain't no red, son. Get that thing. Get it. Get it. Get up there. Get him. Get him. Get him, son. Get him. Get up there. Get up there. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy, Snoop. That's a good boy. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. This is a good boy, son. Get you some. Get you some. Get you some. Get you some, son. Get you some, son. Get you some, son. Get you some, son. Get you some. Yeah, the life she took. Sister and brother. Mama, daddy. Right there. You know what I'm saying? I got my little pups out here on the chain. Real talk. Pups on the chain. There's Angel. Little Angel, that's her mama over there in the dye house, Sugar. That's her brother, sibling. That's his mama too, Sugar. They look just alike. I call them twins. But there's little Moonhead right there. Y'all know Snoop. Y'all know Lil Snoop. Y'all know Queen. Yeah, this that Eli Mayday, Georgia Giant shit right there. Eli Mayday, Georgia Giant. This that Red Boy Kobe Bujo. Red Boy Kobe Bujo right there. And that's my Red Boy and Kobe bitch. And that's what she produced them puppets right there. And then y'all see them. But as y'all can see, my little hoe look like she took them puppies in. You know what I'm saying? Friendly pup. Let y'all see a little stomach. Let me get a look at you. Y'all see them titties. Y'all see them. They gonna be a nice little breed right there. As y'all can see, she crazy. Where the dog at? Where is he? Huh? Where is he? Where is he? And getting y'all a good look at the yard. Get the thing, Snoop. Get the thing, son. Get it. Huh? Get it. You ready to go get back on your time? Yeah, that's the brother right there. Putting him back on the chain, you know, on his spot. There he go. Little workout. Little something I did with him today. Did a good job. Might go running today. Trying to find somebody with a treadmill. Buy me a little treadmill, you know. Moonhead. What's up, son? Angel. What's up, Angel? What's up, Angel? What's up, Angel? What's up, Angel? What's up? Little Queen. Come on, Queen. What up, Queen? Let me feed. Give you a little belly rub, you know. Let these people see you. A little belly rub. Y'all know. Little belly rub. You know what I'm saying? How shit. I'm ready for them bitches to come. I'm ready. They gonna be here next month. For sure. Next month for sure. I'm waiting. I'm ready. Talking about, yeah. Sugar. Let get going back around the yard. Let y'all get a good look at everybody. And we will be tuning in sometime soon. Y'all be hearing from me sometime soon. I'll probably get back up on here when the puppy drop. You heard me? Let y'all see how they looking, how they turning out. But remember, that's their sister and brother, blood, Georgia Giant, Eli Mayday. That's their brother and sister shit. That's the sister. That's their brother. Yeah. Can't wait. All right.